In this video, we'll show you how to configure announcement banners in Qlik Cloud, a simple way to communicate important messages to all users. Announcement banners can only be configured by tenant administrators. To get started, go to Administration and select Settings. Go to the Tenant tab, and in the Announcement section, let's create a new banner to notify users about planned maintenance. Under Styling, select Warning. This gives the banner a yellow color to indicate an alert. In the banner text box, enter your message. To make it easy for users to get more details, turn on the link toggle and enter a link text. For example, more information. Then add a link to the internal web page containing full details. Next, set a start date and end date so the banner appears automatically during the maintenance period. Turn on the Apply toggle to activate the banner for all users. The banner is now visible for every user when they log in. If they dismiss it, it will reappear only after the next login or when it's updated. If you update an activity banner, changes appear immediately. You can also deactivate the banner by turning off the Apply toggle. Banners are displayed at the top of the interface in all Qlik clients, including mobile. They're perfect for sharing system notices, maintenance alerts, or announcements. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.